Girls, today we are going to explain grammar of Unit 1 for grade 12, Unit 5 for grade 10, and Unit 6 for grade 11. We are going to explain tag questions. Look at Mr. Bean. What is he doing? It is dangerous, isn't it? What about these people? They are parachuting. These parachutes work, don't they? You haven't done this before, have you? We won't get hurt, will we? It is fun, isn't it? So, why do we use tag questions and how do we use them? We use tag questions to either check information you believe to be true or comment on a situation. Look at this person. What does he say? I pull the blue cord, don't I? So the speaker here believes that he should pull the blue cord and just he wants to check the information. But this man is saying that the view is great, isn't it? So he is only commenting on the view. How do I form the tag questions? For the tag questions, we have a statement and at the end we use the auxiliary plus the pronoun. So it is a long way, so the auxiliary here is, isn't it? And the pronoun it. What are the auxiliaries or the helping verbs? We have am, is, are, was, were, can, could, will, would, shall, should, must. All these are auxiliaries. What about the pronouns? We've got 7 pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, or it. Here we have another sentence. I went the wrong way. So we have went here. So went is a verb in the past. So we use the auxiliary did. If I have a verb in the present, so we either use don't or doesn't. So I went, I used didn't, I plus, didn't plus the pronoun I. If you noticed that if the statement is negative, the tag question is affirmative, like this one. This rope will hold me. So the statement here is affirmative. So we use negative, wanted, but if the statement is negative, we use a negative as an affirmative tag question. I won't hold any longer. Will I? Notice, please, in the tag question, only use pronouns. Look at this example. Tom isn't enjoying this. Is Tom? Can I use Tom here? Of course not. I have to use he, the pronoun. Pay attention to the following examples, please. I have written the homework. He has written the homework. They had written the homework. Have here is used as a helping verb. So we use haven't I. But when I say I have a lot of homework, so have here is a main verb. So we use don't I. With has we use doesn't. And with had we use didn't. I have to do the homework. He has to do the homework. They had to do the homework. Also, we use here don't I, doesn't he, and didn't they. Some tag questions have irregular forms. If I have I am, I use aren't I. Let's, shall we, let us, will you, you'd rather, wouldn't you, you'd better, hadn't you? Notice here, I have never been. If I have never, rarely, seldom, scarcely, hardly, they are all equal to not. So we use have I. because it is considered a negative statement, so we need an affirmative tag question. Let's check your understanding, please. Number 1, let's choose the answers. He'd rather stay here, wouldn't he? Number 2, there isn't time for another game. Is there? She used to live here, didn't she? Something is wrong, isn't it? Don't get up late, will you? Let's go sailing, shall we? And I hope you understand the rule. Thank you very much, my dear students.